Good afternoon, children. Happy to interact with you once again. English, Chapter 1, Down the Rabbit Hole. We completed up to grammar part. We are in words in use. In words in use, first part is noun forms. In before session, we have learnt how to change a verb or an adverb into a noun. So today, in this session, we are going to learn about phrase. So, phrase is an incomplete sentence with certain meaning. Phrase is an incomplete sentence with certain meaning. In our daily life, we use many phrases which we don't notice. Today, we will learn about them. For example, I ordered you to go straight and take left. You will do as I ordered. You will go straight and take left. But after that, what to do, I didn't mention. So there is a question mark for you. After taking left, what to do? So here, go straight, take left are phrases. At home, your mom may ask you to bring a bowl. But she didn't specify which bowl to be brought. So here, bring a bowl is a phrase. One more example. You went to a shop and asked the shopkeeper to give a chocolate. Immediately he will ask you which chocolate. So here, give a chocolate is a phrase. I hope you understood what a phrase is. A phrase is an incomplete sentence with certain meaning. It is not a complete sentence. It is incomplete sentence. Again, I am repeating. A phrase is an incomplete sentence with certain meaning. Today, we are going to focus on phrase with very. On phrase with very. So, if you come to page 1, if you open page 1 of lesson Down the Rabbit Hole, in the first sentence itself, we have a phrase with very. Very remarkable. Did you notice, children? Very remarkable. So here, very remarkable means that something special to mention. Remarkable means mentioning. Very remarkable means something special to mention. So if you come to the whole sentence, there was nothing so very remarkable about the white rabbit. So here, there is nothing so special to mention about the white rabbit. In the same way, if you open page 4, in page 4, paragraph 8, we have one more phrase with very. Did you notice, children? One more phrase, all very well to say. All very well. Here, all very well is a phrase which means that it is not at all, it is good to see drink me, but not safe to drink it. Is it clear? In the same way, if you see page number 5, next page, in the first line itself, you have one more phrase with very. It's very good. So generally, you might have observed this phrase when you do something special or something noticeable, people will be appreciating you, saying very good. Means very fine, more than good. Yes, you're very good. So in this way, we have many phrases with very. Such we will notice few phrases with very today. For example, you have the very well, the very same, very own. Did you notice? Again repeating. The very well, the very same, very own. If you observe, these are the general phrases you might come across in our daily life. The first one, this is the very book I was looking for. Means here the very means exactly the book which you're looking for. Second one, very well refuse. Here, refuse means rejecting, means you couldn't reject, isn't it? You couldn't say no to something. So I couldn't very well means pause. You couldn't say no to something. Here, we discovered we came from the very same city. Very same city means exactly the same city. What you went to the same city, you have come again. The last one is very own. This is Shakespeare's very own work. Means this work belongs only to Shakespeare but no one else. I hope you understood, children. So, here is a worksheet to be done. So, what you need to do is, you need to use the same phrases which are given in this box to fill in the blanks here. I will attach a module to this so that you may understand better what a phrase is. Watch it, understand what a phrase is, and go through the phrases with very. We are specially using phrase with very. Go through them and try to complete these blanks. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.